Quick stop off at Gales, just by the river in Little Venice, before we go exploring all of those gardens that are hidden in plain sight. Hey guys, today I'm going to take you on a tour of London, and we're going to look at some really cool plants in places that you would not expect. Come on. So this is actually in Paddington Central, so you wouldn't usually expect that there would be cool plants and gardens here, but I'm going to show you because this is developing at the moment. It's really, really interesting. Lovely living wall as you walk in, and you're going to see a lot more too. This is going to be finished in the summer. This is a really amazing grassy amphitheatre. Street, and look, it's amazing. It's amongst all of these buildings and offices, but it's such a haven. So if you've got a few minutes at Paddington Station, why not just walk a few minutes and go here? It's amazing. Look, spring blossom, hydrangeas coming through. I love this gravelled area as well. Really, really cool place to just chill for a little bit as well. And it's surrounded by amazing plants, the gorgeous Troisia, the sarcococca. I was here for meetings in the winter, and this was giving off an amazing fragrance. So you've got all season plants in here. I love the wild vibe as well, really low maintenance, and a haven in the middle of a noisy city. Getting off at King's Cross to go to Cold Drops Yard. If you haven't been here, it's incredible. And already I'm seeing cool plants. Look at this, Clomis. That's a good welcome. Let's see if the spring blossoms still out, just up here by the Google office. You can see the restaurants in the area really upped their botanical game as well. Look at this, Convolvulus sonorum, lovely fancia, Pittosporum hebes. Loving that combo on the gymnasium restaurant here. So the blossom's over, but we've got this lovely woodland vibe with these lovely healthy box trees, Primula candelabra here as well, and the hellebores, really lovely. Still vibe here. So we're here at King's Cross Cold Drops Yard. There's really cool shops, lovely outlets, but I'm really interested in the planting, and it's in that direction. Let's go. I told you you'd see cool plants. These are not just ornamental grasses. We've got Restios here, South African native. Doesn't it look awesome? So much inspiration here at Cold Drops. Look at this really cool planting. Libertia over here. It's nice to get a soft caress. They've got some of the new plants in here as well. I really approve. So many little planting designs here that you won't notice at first. Look here. Box and yew combined in a hedge. Mega cool. And while you're at Cold Drops, you might look at Roseur, this beautiful florist by a few blooms, but also Botanical Boys, one of the best houseplant shops in London. Check it out. I want to buy one of these adeniums and get it in my background. Okay, and the coolest trees here in the square. Not box, but box trees. Wow. A little bit wet now, but we've got a really cool new location for you, which is now south of the river. A gorgeous naturalistic vibe at the American Embassy, the Embassy Gardens. But look at the building, look at the planting, but also, what's up there? It's a swimming pool! How cool is that? And it's the plants, also the building. How incredible is that? Now you didn't expect this, a water garden here in the heart of London, just south of the river. Look, we've got iris coming through, marsh marigold over here, water lilies, Xanthodicia arum lilies, and some nice cyperus over there as well. Really, really cool location. Really cool. Outside this restaurant, this is actually like a tea garden. It's got mint, it's got fennel, it's got rosemary. This is the best planting of herbs I've ever seen anywhere. And in here, this is my first time here, by the way. There's a woodland paradise, and it's all under that swimming pool. Irish time is coming. these beauties. There'll be a real bank of iris across there. My favourites. My grandma used to always have. Look at them. Beautiful. Epimedium, ceanothus, a few ferns as well. Lovely planting, and the flowers are coming through as well. It's the hot new place everyone's talking about, this Battersea power station, but let's check out their planting. Look, fantastic prairie planting, which really goes with the building perfectly as well. Can't wait to see all this grassland come through. Lots of achillea coming through as well. I can see some lichnis, even a few foxgloves as well. This is going to develop really nicely over the next few years. And thinking of nature as well, look at these insect boxes. Really cool. Lovely chilled meadow planting, but it's not just about what's planted here at Battersea Power Station, it's also about what's planted amongst those tall blocks. Look, in those alcoves, big mature olive trees. How cool is that? So much cool planting from the birches to the acers, all the foxgloves to come. This has really developed a lot in its first year, and of course the amazing view from the river, and all in the shadow of this amazing regenerated Battersea Power Station. So there you go, a really cool tour of London. All it costs you is the underground ticket, because all of these gardens are hidden in plain sight because they're all public areas. From Paddington to Coal Drops to the American Embassy with the amazing water gardens and that swimming pool, to here, Battersea Power Station, a regenerated area with the most amazing meadowland. So thank you for joining me. Where shall I visit next?